The first step is to add your video to your timeline. So if you want to import a video, you can simply click on the import button in the top left corner, and then you can simply drag and drop this to your timeline. Then you just have to use this line here and select where you want to create the zoom in and out effect. So let's say right here. Now the next step is to go here on the right side and then click on keyframe. So we're gonna have to select the transform keyframe, and then we just have to go back here to the line and then choose another section here, and then we just have to create the zoom in effect. So as you can see now, if I play this video, we have this zoom in effect. If you want to create a zoom out effect, what you're gonna have to do is simply select again the video and then go back to your keyframe here, click on it, then move a few frames and then resize this. So you can use the scale button here. Now, if we go back and again we play the video, we have the zoom in effect and then the zoom out. So you can choose whatever part of the video you want to create the zoom in. You don't have to actually use the same as I did. Now, another thing is that if you want to make this faster or slower, you just have to select your video on your timeline and then just move the keyframe. So as you can see, I can move them. So if I want to make it slower, I just have to increase the distance between these two keyframes. And as you can see now, we have a slower zoom in. But if I move this closer, as you can see, it will be faster. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.